guys, what's going on? I'm back with another one here. It's was supposed to go up a couple days ago, sorry about that, so just bear with me. I got a couple Airsoft reviews and a couple unboxings coming, so stay tuned for that.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's going to be Ravenhawk Airsoft back with you. I'm going to do a couple reviews later on today. We can do one right now. It's going to be on the smart charger. So here we go, let's get to it. I got this in probably a couple weeks ago. I haven't gotten to use it yet. The Team Energy Universal Smart Charger for 6 volt and 12 volt. Some of the features is universal fast smart charger, 10 to 240 volts AC. Ideal smart charger, way better than the crappy ones they give you in the box there. So don't ever use those. I would suggest buying that. I got this one off of FoxAirsoft. It was like $25, something around there. Not bad. Yeah, so I do suggest that you get one of these. Go ahead and get into it here. Show you some of the things. Got some instructions here. All the basic stuff, telling you how it works and whatnot. I actually haven't figured out exactly what these are for. If it's for a different kind of battery or a heat sensor kind of thing, I don't know. If anybody else knows, leave a comment below. Let me know. So we'll leave that right there. Remove these instructions. We got the basic charging cable right here. This is plugs into the charger, plugs into your battery. That's the main cable. Put that one right here. And then we got the actual charger. Move that box off here. Got a part this goes into right here. Bada bing, bada boom. That plugs right into your battery. It's got a set for a 1.0A and a 2.0A. I usually leave it on 2.0A. It's got a red and a green light on it. It tells you when your battery's charged and if it's dead. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this charger. I mean, it's a basic smart charger, universal smart charger. It's a great one. I suggest getting it. Like I said, I haven't gotten to use it yet, but I'm hoping to get it used soon. I got my my rifle up top here. Right there, that's my my rifle. So yeah, once again, smart charger. And yeah, alright guys. Zoom this back out. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the smart charger. If you got any comments, let me know down in the comments below here. I do have a couple of mystery boxes coming soon. I got one from FoxAir coming. I got 12 individual packages coming from Airsoft GI for the BB Wars, episode 3 patch package mystery there. And also I got what is it? I got a swag package coming from Evike. So look forward to that. That should be coming within this next week. It's going to be September, what's today, the 6th, I'd say, anywhere from the 8th or the 9th of September that you'll be seeing those, so stay tuned. I'm also going to have another couple of reviews coming up within the next few days, so keep an eye out on that too. Alrighty guys.